In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the account owner on Constant Contact. Whether you're transferring ownership due to a change in roles or simply updating account information, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to accomplish this task efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to constantcontact.com. Once you're on their homepage, you'll need to log in with your current account credentials. Having direct access to the account is crucial as only the current owner can initiate changes to the account settings. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a profile icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your gateway to accessing various account settings and personal information. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This section houses all the critical controls you'll need for modifying your account. In the settings area, look for the section titled Account Details and click on it. The Account Details page is where you can view comprehensive information about your Constant Contact account, including the current owner's information. Now that you're on the Account Details page, scroll down to locate the Profile Details section. Here, you'll see an Edit button. Clicking this button will allow you to modify the existing details, including the account owner's information. With the edit mode activated, you can now change the necessary profile details. Enter the new owner's information, ensuring that all fields are filled out accurately. This step is important because the new owner will receive all future communications and will have full control over the account. Once you've made the necessary changes, be sure to double check all the information for accuracy. It's important to verify that everything is correct to avoid any disruptions in service or communication. After confirming that all the details are in order, click the Save button to apply the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the account owner on Constant Contact. This process ensures a smooth transition and keeps your account information up to date. Remember, if you encounter any issues during these steps, Constant Contact's support team is available to assist you. I hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to change the account owner on Constant Contact. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage account ownership and maintain seamless communication within your organization. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.